Okay, so we're here on this 2002 GMC Sonoma, and we got to change out the regulator. So here it is, it's in a box, it's brand new. So first step is we're gonna have to get inside of here and take the panel off, and then see what we got to do to pop this out. So be right back. Okay, so the first step is gonna be to take off this panel. This right here has a few bolts in it. Just take those out and put those to the side. You see here, this panel, this control bar is popping up. It's got a bunch of wires in there. And the next part is to find the clips and pull the whole panel off. These clips, there's no real clips in it, you just pop the door out. You got to be careful to get the wiring in the back. And there's the inside when it's done. So here's the regulator. So it looks like to get this out, we're gonna have to hit these and drill these out. They're riveted in, and then when we come back, we're gonna have to rivet them back or screw them back into place with some kind of screws, which we'll find out. Hopefully it's in the kit. I don't see nothing yet, but that's basically it. Okay, this is how you pull it out after you get the bolts out right here. Just slides out from the side. Was these were attached up in there?
This one goes in first. When you put the new one in, then line up that one.
Well, I mean when you took it apart.
Yes.
This one, you just slide those off on
Yeah,
the
they sit like this, and as you pull it out, they'll open like that and just come right out.
So installing this one just goes in the same way as the old one came out. Okay, so that unit just slides in the same way the other one came out. As you can see, it's all sitting in there. The wire hanging right here. And you need to feed in your little plastic pieces into the door. And you got to do that all the way around. So just take your time and do that. And so the next step is to go ahead and start bolting it up and start putting it back together more. So I'll be right back. So we got to get some bolts for it. Here they are right here. And as you can see, we're just going to bolt them up and in there is basically it. You can get these at any hardware store or any place that sells bolts, basically. Okay, there it is. We put the indoor back on, put the case back together, and there it is, rolling up and down. That's basically it.
Alright, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.